returned to home with the DJI Air 3, sent it out 900 meters. See if it can land back in the spot. It's just coming now. So this is the spot that it needs to land back on. There. So it's just coming down now. Let's see if it can land on the spot it took off from. Oh, it's not bad. Not bad. So here it is. Not bad at all. DJI Air 3.